Hello and welcome to a new episode of our crypto trading crash course. On this episode, we want to show you how to set up your Prime XPT margin trading account for day trading and scalping. We are going to show you how to select the appropriate time frame for scalping and day trading, how to add indicators to your charts and how to customize them, plus how to tweak the trading engine that your trades are executed with just one mouse click. For this, once again, I've logged into my trading account. Now the first thing I need to do is I need to, of course, select the trading pair that I want to day trade in. So let's stick here, for example, with Bitcoin US dollar. So as soon as I click here on the left onto Bitcoin US dollar, the chart is automatically loaded to the right here. Now I have to select an appropriate time frame to day trade in. At the moment I've selected daily charts here, so each candle down here would contain one whole day of trading data, of price data for Bitcoin US dollar. Since I want to day trade and scalp today, I should go to the either 15 minutes, 5 minutes or 1 minute chart. So I'm going to select here 1M, which stands for 1 minute. And as you can see, we can see the chart already moving much more, because now every candle here represents 1 minute of prices. Now I want to get an overview over the market to decide better, is it a good time to buy right now or is it a good time to sell right now? And I can do so, for example, by adding a couple of indicators. I'll do this by clicking on this icon here, and then I can choose here numerous already pre-built in indicators, studies they are called here. So let's go, for example, with a relative strength index. I'll select this one here with a double click. I can then click on done and it's automatically loaded into my chart, as you can see down here. But however, we want to add a little bit more. So we are going with a moving average, SMA, standing for simple moving average. Double click again and adding it to the chart. And I could now customize those indicators as well. If I go back to this menu by, for example, saying on the RSI, I want the upper band here to appear in red, the overbought zone, so to say, and the oversold zone I want to appear in green. If I do so, you can see now my line here at 70 is in a red color, my line at 30 is in a green color. Now, if I want to execute a trade, I just need to click on buy or sell. So if we want to buy Bitcoin, you can see the new order menu pops up. I can send the order. I need to confirm my order again, and then it's executed. However, sometimes you want things to move a little bit faster, right? Because when you are scalping, sometimes it's really seconds or even milliseconds can decide over whether you are going to win with a position or you are going to lose with a position. And you can make things a little bit faster and, for example, switch to something we call one-click trading. You'll find this if you open this pop-up menu here. You can click here on one-click trading. If you do this the first time, you'll get a warning also that every time now you click on the buy or sell button, an order is automatically executed immediately. So if I click now on buy Bitcoin here, you can see my order is immediately executed. So I want to be very careful with this. It allows me to execute orders in a much faster fashion. However, I have to be really sure that I've selected the right amount I want to trade and that I only click once here, because if I do multiple clicks on this button, my orders are going to get multiple executed as well. Same goes here for the closing. So now I just need to click on the X here, and with just one click, my order is closed again. As you can see, it's very easy and convenient to set up charts in a way that you can use them for day trading and scalping and to execute order in a very fast way. So why not try it for yourself? And if you have any questions, reach out to us under academy@primexpt.com. Thanks for watching. Always use a stop loss and take care.